Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Welcome to pre-market update. Starting with Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin is in front of this resistance, still a bit further away to go. Getting a 8 count sell signal as we are talking, but let's see how we do it when we get 8 count sell signal. You can see in the past here also we got 8 count here, then a 9 count sell signal, but still it can go higher. So just wanted to let you know, I think it's gonna flag. Bitcoin is trying to flag and the next target is here. All right. So I think it's going to go from here, finding support on this blue line, which is 200 SMA, and it can pump to around 8%, 9% around 69,200. Okay. So that's what I'm looking. So it's a flag, prices above all moving averages, and also green line is above red line. You can see this is the famous indicator, green line above red line. And yeah, I think Bitcoin is getting ready for another massive pump. So we'll see when that comes. And on BTC futures, you can go to 1 hour chart, see if there are any gaps on there. You can see one gap up and came back to fill it. Ethereum also gap up, came back to fill it. So again, going back to the live market, I don't see any other thing. So flagging and going higher. All right, same thing with Ethereum. Ethereum will just follow Bitcoin a bit weaker, but on Ethereum futures, there are multiple gaps. One gap is around 3,000, second gap is around 39.49. So from where we are right now, first gap is around 9% away, second gap is around 44% away. So yeah, so just keep that in mind and let's plan. And let's go and check our buy and sell levels. Those who don't know, the green lines are where we buy, red lines are where we sell. Bitcoin's sell off from red line to green line, now green line to again neutral line, and now in the middle. So buy below 63, 381. And on Ethereum, it's already in the buy zone right now. Okay, so if you want to know about more about these buy and sell lines, you can subscribe to my channel. Join button in the description of this video. Let's now move on to SPX and cycle analysis on S&P 500. So we topped out. Okay, so this is an engulfing candle. This doesn't mean we cannot go lower. This is just a pattern which is showing. I think last time we got engulfing something like this here, but then it still went higher. I think I can show you on here also we got engulfing and then we went lower and then we go higher. So let's see what happens. There are two scenarios from here. Okay, so we're in this declining phase right now. So first scenario is we go here, like here, decline. Second scenario is we just go here, just go straight. Okay, don't do anything. Just like for a couple of weeks, just go straight and then bounce. So I think I personally think it's going to be something like this. Just consolidate and then go higher instead of a decline, but we'll see what market does. All right, so that's what my cycle analysis is telling me. Let's look at chart side by side on live futures. And right now, the day trading chart is between neutral line and sell line here. And on SPY daily chart, there's a gap here around 564. They're gonna fill it today, looks like. All right, on Nasdaq, let's look at MNQ. A little bit weaker in the neutral zone right now. All right, so and on triple Q, there are multiple gaps. So my target is here around 495. One gap is here, one gap is at the bottom. We are right in the middle. So if we get a decline, we're gonna fill that gap. If we get a pump, we're gonna go fill this gap around 495. I'm leaning more towards filling the stop gap, but we'll see how market behaves. US 30 Dow Jones is in the sell zone, very, very bullish and going towards new all-time high. And on DIA ETF, there's a gap here, but looks like these gaps can be filled later. And on Russell 2000, also very, very bullish near the sell zone and going towards new highs. And on IWM, the massive gap is all the way down. That could fill maybe at a later date, but for now, it's looking for higher prices. Let's quickly move on to bigger FANG stocks. Let's go to Hang Seng Index before we go there. China is going towards neutral zone and prices above all moving average and consolidating. So very good news for China bulls. Tesla is near neutral zone. Apple is Tesla is also in front of this resistance. You can see here this resistance trying to break above that. Right now still under it. Apple is looking nice, looking for this gap fill around 234. Amazon is nearby zone. All right, so in the middle, gap below, gap top, you can take screenshot of these gaps. They will be filled at some point. Netflix in the neutral zone, looking for higher prices. Google is also a very good trade right now. A lot of potential to go higher. All these yellow lines are gaps to fill. Meta, Facebook is also in the buy zone right now. Microsoft is also bouncing from the buy zone. Snowflakes must be in the buy zone after bad earnings. With this earnings gap to fill, NVDA is all eyes on that. NVDA August 28th is the earnings. Wednesday, we'll see how it goes. And let's quickly look at commodities now. Gold is very bullish, just keeps going higher and higher and higher in the sell zone right now. Silver is a little weaker than gold, but it can catch up. So silver could be a good trade. Copper is also a little weaker than gold, but this can also catch up. Oil finally pumping after massive dump, massive recovery in next last 2 days. Fill your gases before prices go very high. Natural gas is in the buy zone. Palladium is going towards sell zone. Soybeans is in the buy zone right now. Sugar is pumping all of a sudden, 3% up. So nice recovery last 3 days, just recovered extremely well. Wheat is in the buy zone. Corn is also in the buy zone right now, trying to make bottom. All right, guys, I'm short on time today, so I'll end here. If you have any particular stocks you want me to review, let me know. VIX is now consolidating. A breakdown here will mean market is going higher. A breakout here could mean we are going towards this cycle low, like a declining phase that will help VIX to go higher. We'll see how the market performs today, guys. Good luck. Bye.